Alright, so you want to add a wash wand to your machine tool? We here at LNS Chipblaster got you covered. No M code needed, super easy, quick install, probably less than an hour. Come check it out. Now the kit comes with everything you're going to need: the pump, the hose, the pendant station to turn the pump on and off, and all the electrical contactors and stuff you're going to mount inside the machine tool electrical cabinet. First thing we like to do is a little site survey where you're going to place your stuff on the machine tool stuff. So we need a place to suck the coolant from, and then a place that the discharge would go to. First thing you want to do is you want to mount the suction standpipe, put the screen on the bottom, and let it hit the bottom, then raise it up about a ½ inch, and then tighten it down. That's the beauty of the variable length standpipe. Now, it doesn't matter how deep your sump is, you pretty much got it covered. And then lock it down. Alright, so in this particular install, the location stuff, we put the pump right here, the suction right here, and then the discharge, the bypass for the regulator over here. What's really cool about this pump is it comes with feet. You can lay it on the floor, you can lay it on top of other stuff. It's very versatile. It's going to come with lots of, about 15 feet of 1-inch suction line. So it's pretty versatile, pretty much fit anywhere. Alright, now that you got the plumbing all squared away, it's time for the electrics. So in this case, in this scenario, it's a little bit different. The customer in the machine tool actually has DIN rail space available. So I took it off of the DIN rail in the kit, mounted it right to the DIN rail. So, and then mounted the 3-phase on top of the breaker, right into the top of another breaker for the in-feed. And I used, they had extra taps on the power supply for the 24 volts for the signal for the switch. Now that's all tightened up. Next thing we do is prime the pump, and then we get down to business. All right, to prime the pump is pretty simple. You have a T, we'll remove the plug. I loosened it beforehand. You want to grab your calibrated priming device. It says so because it's right here. Dip it in the coolant. Fill it up. Dump it in. Repeat until the hose is full and it starts coming out here. Should take you about 5 times if it's calibrated correctly. Or 3. Put the plug back on. All right, now you got the pump primed. You can run the pendant and the wash wand around. The good thing about this is magnetic. You can stick right there when you're done. To make this bad boy run, you just push the start button and then spray away. And then when you're done, of course, magnet right over there. Always discharge the pressure, because there's always one in every shop that'll come by if it leaves pressure in there. Probably get you nice and wet. If you don't know who that is, it's probably you. I'm Barry Gardner from LNS Chipblaster Service, and I'd like to thank you for watching the video on how to install your new wash wand system without any M code or anything. It probably took about a little over an hour with all the bloopers and stuff to get this done. But an hour time investment to get this done, keep your machine tool clean, get you back to making chips and making money. All right, have a nice day.